What's up, everybody? This is the H2 Bird break 3083. It's the box that just showed up. 9 times on the dice. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We went 9 there, 5 and 4. We went 9 here. Rams up top, Commanders at the bottom. Again, guys, take your spots on the website. There are probably 15 breaks that are going to go tonight. So a lot of breaks super close. 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 here, 5 and 4. 9 right here as well. Michael Carr, you're up top. Brett Carmen at the bottom. I'm going to sort these alphabetically. Print this out. And we're going to rip. Good luck, guys. Again, H2 Bird, break 3083. It was the box we were short. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Again, guys, the bundle deals are full.
Good luck. Empty. Penning, Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Derwin James, Marlon Humphrey, and Mac Jones.
Vin says, give me a Purdy.
Kenneth Walker, Justin Fields, Bellinger, your first red disco, Cam Jordan for the Saints. 10 of 49. Nice red disco for the Saints. Njoku and Donald. T-Law, Elam, Silver AJ Brown, Blue Disco, Sam Williams for the Cowboys. Out of 25 on the Sam Williams. Nice one there for the Cowboys. Followed by Kenny Pickett and Davis Mills. Last pack. Quay Walker. Herbert. Lamar Jackson on the silver. Mike White. Red disco for the Jets out of 49. Hassan Haskins, Terry McLaurin. Quick recap. Mike White, red disco to 49. Sam Williams, blue disco is to 25. And Cam Jordan, red disco to 49. Thanks for the fill.
All right, guys. Again, that was the H2 Bird break 3083. That was the break.